What's up? My name is Khyati and welcome to my channel. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and click on that notification bell so you get notified every single time I post a new video. So today's video is a hair care routine. So this is a very simple 4-step routine that I follow. So I have extremely frizzy hair and dry ends, and for my scalp I have very dry and flaky scalp. So if you are someone who have extremely frizzy hair, then this video is for you. Don't forget to watch it till the end. So let's just directly begin. So the first step is oiling your hair. So I oil my hair 3 to 4 times a month. There are two ways that I like to oil my hair. At some days I just usually mix the two oil, almond oil and the coconut oil, and give a nice massage. And the other is making a hair mask. That is usually when I feel my hair is super dry and frizzy and it needs a lot of nourishment. That is when I make that hair mask. So the procedure to make this hair mask is right here. In a bowl, take half spoon curd. To that add 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel, which is equals to 2 aloe vera leaves. Then add parachute coconut oil 1 tablespoon. To that add Dabur almond oil 1 tablespoon. Then add Mama Earth's rice hair oil 1 tablespoon. This is absolutely optional. To that add 1 vitamin E capsule and mix it well together. So guys, if you just mix it with the spoon, this is the consistency. The curd won't mix properly. So I am here using a boss and mixing it nicely. So you get a nice slurry mixed everything together. So this is what a hair mask looks like. It is very lightweight and the consistency is also pretty good to apply it easily on your hair. So for the application of this hair mask, I'll apply it evenly on my scalp part by part and then on the ends, and then just detangle my hair so that the mask spreads out evenly, and let it set for overnight or at least 3 to 4 hours and then rinse it off. So the second step is of course shampooing your hair. So I use 2 shampoos. Both are from Mama Earth. The first is their tea tree shampoo and the second is the Bring Amla shampoo. Now for the application, you will usually take 2 to 3 washes if you have applied the oil or hair mask to get rid of all the stickiness and oil from your hair. And guys, after 3 washes you will feel a little bit stickiness in your hair still, but don't worry, don't again wash your hair or else you will end up drying, because after your hair is dried completely you won't feel that stickiness. So talking about the shampoo, the tea tree one is for dandruff free hair, because I have flaky scalp like I said, and I also have itchiness, so this is perfect for that one. And the Bring Amla one is for intense hair repair and dandruff free shampoo. I prefer that much over this one. This only helps me get rid of dandruff, but that not only helps me get rid of my flakiness, but also it nourishes my hair from the end parts, like it helps me get reduce of my dryness. So there are only 2 problems with this shampoo. The first one being this is a very mild shampoo both, so I need to wash my hair after every 2 days, and the second being I am having a major hair breakage after using this shampoo, but I have already ordered both, so I had to use it because I saw a lot of reviews by everyone saying this is an amazing shampoo. And yes, it is worth the hype that they have made, because it does exactly as it is said. Texture wise it is amazing, the amount of nourishment it has given, but also it has a drawback that it gives a lot of hair breakage, I think, that comes along with it. So those were the only 2 shampoos that I use. Now for the conditioner, this is the game changer product that I was talking about. If you have frizzy hair, this is it. So again for the conditioner, I am using the Mama Earth's No More Tangles conditioner. It is for frizz free hair. Guys, this is not a sponsored video by Mama Earth. I've purchased all of this product, but in case Mama Earth you're watching, hit me up. Just kidding. Now talking about this product is literally a game changer for me personally. Like I have used a lot of products in the past for my frizzy hair, but none of them have worked, like literally none. This is the first product that I have came across which have given me like an 70 to 80% of difference in my hair texture, especially my frizziness. Like it has cut off to 70 to 80%, which is like a great thing. Second thing is, again, this has a little bit of breakage, but I'm okay with it as far as this gives me the texture that I want. And also one more thing about this conditioner, while you are using this conditioner, you will feel a little bit of stickiness while you are rinsing it off, but don't worry, after your hair is dried you won't feel that stickiness. It's just, I don't know, with the Mama products only that you feel sticky while you are washing your hair, but after you are dried your hair, it's normal, everything is like you wanted. So yeah, that's it. This is the ultimate product that I was talking about. Guys, do give this a try, and I am pretty sure, I guarantee you will have a huge difference after using this for 2-3 washes only. Now the last step, that is the serum. I have two serums with me. The first one is the Matrix Biolarge Professional 6-in-1 serum. Now this is for smooth and frizz-free hair. Like, this helps you get you a smooth and shiny hair and also controls your frizz. Again, my biggest problem with my hair is frizziness, so most of my products are related to that only. Personally, I have been loving this, and as you can see, this is absolutely empty. I have ordered another one. So this serum helps me give like a nice nourished look and a smooth texture. So I personally love this a lot. I've tried a lot of serums before, but none of them worked. So now the second serum I am having is not exactly a serum, but it is like a shampoo serum mix. So this is the Livon's Shake and Spray serum. So basically you just spray it on your hair and nicely mix it, and it will do the job. It will give you a nice nourished texture to your hair. I majorly use this on the second or third day of my hair wash when my hair feels super dry. I just spray it and nicely mix it well, and you will have a nice nourishment. I don't like the Livon original serum. I feel like that doesn't do anything more than just applying a serum, but this one is pretty good, so you can try this out too. So here is a before and after of the hair wash. My hair looks absolutely frizz free. This is my natural curly and wavy hair. I haven't used any appliances like a straightener or blow dried my hair either. Guys, all the links for the products is mentioned in the description box down below, so in case you want to check that out, you can go there. So that was it for my today's video, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this simple 4-step hair care routine and found it helpful. Do check this product out, and especially the conditioner. I'm very sure it will be a game changer product for you from now on. And I hope you liked this video and found it helpful. And if you did, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next time. Bye.